So for today's lesson, we're going to learn about weight. Okay, so we're going to learn about weight. So how do we spell weight? How do we spell weight? W E I G H T weight. Very good. So what is the meaning of weight? So weight is the amount that a thing weighs. So it is the quantity of the thing. So here are some measuring tools for weight. So we have a digital spring. So dial spring scale. Sorry, it's dial spring scales. So what is this? So we have dial spring weight.
เครื่องชั่งแบบแรกนะคะคือเครื่องชั่งสปริง
So we usually use dial spring scales in the market, right? When we buy vegetables or fruits, we use the dial spring scales, isn't it? When you buy at the market, when you buy vegetables and fruits. Okay, so next is the mechanical scales. Here, the mechanical scales also measure our height, how tall we are, and also our weight, our body weight, how big we are or how heavy we are. So we use mechanical scale and body scale to measure our weight, our body scale, our how heavy or how lighter we are. Okay, so we will use mechanical scale or body scale. And next is the balance scale. So it means we are going to measure if the thing is balanced or not. If it is balanced or this one is heavy or this one is lighter, we use the balance scale. Do you understand, students?
วันนี้นะคะเราจะเรียนเรื่องการชั่งนะคะเราจะมาดูเครื่องชั่งมีทั้งหมดที่เราจะเรียนมี4ประเภทนะคะประเภทแรกเดี๋ยวสปริงสเกลก็คือเครื่องชั่งแบบสปริงอันนี้เราจะเห็นในตามท้องตลาดเวลาที่เด็กๆไปซื้อผักผลไม้หรือเนื้อหมูเนื้อไก่เขาก็จะชั่งตาชั่งแบบนี้นะคะเรียกว่าตาชั่งแบบสปริงแบบที่2เครื่องชั่งแบบตุ้มถ่วงก็คือจะเอาไว้ชั่งสิ่งของที่มีน้ำหนักมากๆต่อไปประเภทที่3เครื่องชั่งน้ำหนักตัวอันนี้เด็กๆเคยชั่งอยู่แล้วใช่ไหมคะสำหรับการชั่งน้ำหนักของตัวเองประเภทที่4 balance scale ก็คือเครื่องชั่งแบบ2แขนจะเป็นการแบบให้มันสมดุลกันอันนี้จะใช้ชั่งสิ่งของที่มีน้ำหนักค่อนข้างเบานะคะ
Okay, thank you, teacher. So next is now did you understand the measuring tools for weight? So we have dial spring scales, mechanical scale, body scale, and balance scale. Okay, so next we're going to measure weights in kilograms or in kids. So we can use a dial spring scale. So like this, we can use this one, the dial spring scale, to measure the weights of objects in kilograms or in kids. So when you say kid or when you're going to measure kid, can you see this one? The small line here, after 1 you can see small line here, this one. The small line represents 1 kid. Okay, Okay, did you get it? Okay, so this one, for example, children, 1 kilogram, and then we're going to measure the kid also. You're going to count the small one. You're going to count the small one. This one, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the kid. Okay.
ที่เด็กๆมองเห็นขีดสั้นๆเราจะนับทีละ1นะคะ1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10ขีดเท่ากับ1กิโลกรัมนะคะ
Okay. So for example, this one, letter A, since the arrow is pointing at 2, look at the arrow. This one, the arrow is pointing at 2. It means the iron weighs 2 kilogram. Okay? Okay, students. So for letter B, look at letter B, everyone. So letter B, we're going to measure the milk. So look at the measurement of the milk. So look at the milk, letter B.
Wow, begini ya.
What will be the answer? Please. Sorry, kids, can you mute your microphone, please?
นักเรียนรบกวนปิดไมค์ก่อนนะคะ
การตอบผมทุกท่านนี้กับไม่ทุกคน
Okay, so
ฮะ
please mute
Yeah.
your microphone, Eve. Eve,
น้อง
please.
อีฟโอเค
Thank you. So, look at the letter B. Look at the milk. What do you think is the weight of the milk, of the box of milk? What is the weight of the milk? So you can see the arrow, it is pointing here. So what will be the measurement? So you're going to count from 0. We're going to count 1, 2, 3. How many?
เด็กเก่งมากค่ะ
3. Very good. So that is the weight of the milk. The carton of milk weighs 3 kids. Since the arrow is pointing in the line, small line, it represents 1 kid, right? So the carton of milk weighs 3 kids. Okay? Did you understand? Okay? Did you understand, children? Show me your hands if you understand the kids, the measuring in kilograms or in kids. Show me your hands if you understand it.
เด็กเข้าใจไหมคะ การชั่งกิโลกรัมกับขีดนับเป็นหรือยังคะ Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good job. So, let's move on to our next example. So we have another example. Here, look at Siti and Janice measure the weights of these objects in kilograms and kids. So Siti and Janice were going to measure the object. So we're going to measure the pineapple. Okay. So this pineapple has a weight more than 1 kilogram. So look at the weight of the pineapple. It measures more than 1 kilogram but less than 2. it is more than 1, but less than 2 because the arrow is pointing here. So, what is the measurement of the pineapple? What do you think is the measurement of the pineapple?
ตอนนี้สับปะรดวางอยู่บนเครื่องชั่งแบบสปริงแล้วนะคะ เด็กๆลองดูสิคะว่าสับปะรดหนักเท่าไหร่ใส่ได้ไหมคะ
One
หนัก
kilo, 2 kg.
Very good. Who answers 1 kilo and 2 kg? Very good. So it says the needle points at 1 kilo. Very good. It is 1 kilo. And if we're going to count, if we're going to
400 กรัมก็เท่ากับ4 ขีดนะคะ
yeah. Okay, so if the broccoli weighs 4 kg, it means we're going to times it into 100 because 100 g is equal to 1 kg. So we have 100 grams, 200 grams, 300 grams, and 400 grams. So the broccoli weighs 400 grams or 4 kg, okay? Okay, students?
เด็กๆเข้าใจไหมคะ น้องปานเข้าใจไหมลูก
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So good job. So that's how we measure and that's how we convert grams to kids. So now are you ready to have a game? Do you want to play a game, kids?
โอเคอยากเล่นเกมไหมคะ
Yes.
Do you want to play a game? Okay, so
Yes.
if you want to answer, you can raise your hand or open your mic, okay? If you want to answer, please open your mic or raise your hand, okay? Okay, show me your hands. Saying okay if you're okay with it. Okay, very good. So let's start.
พี่หมูกินต่อ
So, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so look at the question. So who wants to answer the question? So the question is, which of the following is correct about the picture? So you're going to look at the picture first. Okay, everyone look at the picture. We have a squid or an octopus and a whale. So which of the following is correct about the picture? So letter A, so look at letter A. The whale is lighter than the squid. So the whale is lighter or heavy than the squid? Letter B, look at letter B. The whale is bigger or heavier. Heavy, it means it's big and it's heavy than the squid. Or letter C, the squid is heavier than the whale. So what is the answer? Okay, again, letter A. Look at letter A. Lighter. Teacher, what is pasatay of lighter? Lighter.
เบากว่า
Okay, so letter A, look at the letter A. The whale is lighter than the squid. Is it the whale lighter or heavy than the squid? Or letter B?
B
The B, the whale is as heavy. Picture what is pasatay of heavy.
หนักกว่า
One. Thank you, Mother.
So the whale is heavier than the squid. So what is the answer? Octopus. It is squid or octopus. You can say it like that. So octopus. So the whale is heavier than the octopus.
มีใครตอบได้ไหมคะ ใครอยากตอบยกมือเลย A B or C อะไรหนักกว่าอะไรเบากว่าข้อไหนถูกต้อง
So what is the answer?
ใครจะตอบยกมือนะคะ หรือว่าเปิดไมค์ตอบได้เลยค่ะ
A, B, or C?
E. Octopus.
What is the answer? Yes, right? You can open your mic if you want to answer or raise your hand if you want to answer.
เปิด
Go
เปิดไม
open
ค์ตอบ
your
เลย
mic.
ค่ะ
B.
B. B. Very good. So the answer is letter B. Is that correct? Okay, very good. So next question is which of the following is correct about the picture below? So look at we have jam and grapes. So we have strawberry jam and grapes. So grapes heavier than the jam, letter A, or B, grapes is lighter than the jam, or letter C, grapes and the jam are the same weight. It is balanced. What is the answer? A or B or C?
A.
Very good. So what is the answer? The answer is letter. The answer is letter A. Good job. Very good. So next. So which of the following is correct about the picture? So look at here. We have pot of rose and pot of sunflower. So the pot of rose, letter A, is heavy than the sunflower. Is it heavy? Or letter B, the pot of rose and sunflower is the same weight. Or letter C, the sunflower is heavy than the rose. What is the answer? Come on. Huh? A, B, or C? C, the pot of sunflower.
B.
B, very good. Who answers letter B?
ไหนใครตอบ
The pot,
B
pot of rose and sunflower are the same. Okay. So this one, look at the picture. It says which of the following are balanced. It means it is the same, balance, same. Letter A, B, or C?
A.
What answer?
A.
Very good. It is letter
A.
A. Good job. How about this one? Look at the picture. Which of the following are not? It means it is not balanced. A, B, or C?
C. J.
Again?
A.
Letter?
C.
C. Very good.
จบนานแล้ว
Okay, this one. How much the jam and bread weight? So what is the weight of the jam and bread? So you can see, where is the arrow pointing? Where did the arrow pointing? We have 100, 200.
นักเรียนรบกวนปิดไมค์ก่อนนะคะ ถ้าเดี๋ยวถึงเวลาตอบค่อยเปิดนะคะ
B
Free. Very good. Very
B
right. Very good. Okay, very good. Because 200 and 300 it is between. So between 200 is and 300 is 250 grams. Very good, kids. So next. So how much do the fruits weigh? So what is the weight of the fruit? Is it letter A, 4 kilogram, letter B, 4 kilograms and 500 grams? Or what is the answer? B. Is it 500?
A B or C ตอบข้อไหนคะ
Answer?
B
E. Very good. Because if it is letter C, it should be only 5 kilos, not 500. Okay. So if the answer is letter C, it should be 4 kilograms and 5 kids, not 500. Okay. So the answer is letter B. Very good. It is 500 grams. Okay. So now look at this one, the apple and honey. So what is the measurement of the apple and honey? It is 1 kilograms, 1 kilograms and 5 grams, or 1 kilograms and 5 kids. What is the measurement?
C
What is the answer?
C
Very good, because it is 5 kids. If the answer is letter B, the answer should be 1 kilograms and 500 grams, right? So the answer is 5 kids. Very good. So this one. How about this one? How much do the fruits weigh? So can you see the fruit weights? How much do the fruit weights? Is it letter A, 370 kids, or letter B, 370 grams, or letter C, 370 kilograms? So what is the weight?
B
Very good. The answer is 370 grams. How about the balls? How much do the balls weigh? Look at the balls. If you're going to count, you count the small line. How many lines do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it 1 kilogram and 8 grams, or 1 kilogram and 8 kids, or 1 kilogram and 800? Very good. So the answer is letter B. Okay, how about this one? Look at the picture. Which of the following is correct about the picture? Okay, let's compare. We're going to compare the jam and the bread. Look at the jam and the bread. The jam and the bread weighs 350 grams. 350 grams. And the honey and orange is 200 2 kilograms. So what is the answer? Letter A. They are the same weight. They are the same. Or letter B. The apple and the jam and the bread are heavier than orange and honey. Which one is heavy? The orange or honey or
B.
let's see. The answer is letter B. Oh no, not letter B is not the answer.
Lại đưa người kia nhé. Mấy anh biết.
Okay, so this one, last one. Orange. Wait. So we're done on our game. Have you had did you have fun answering the games? Did you have fun answering our game?
เด็กๆชอบไหมคะ สนุกไหมคะ เล่นเกมแบบนี้
สนุกค่ะ
yes or no บอกที่เชื่อไหนอยเด้อ
yes
Okay. So did you understand our lesson for today? It's about weights. Did you understand? Understand?
yes
Okay. Since you don't have your book, it's okay if you don't have homework because you don't have your book. Right? Your book, this one.
ตอนนี้หนังสือเด็กๆยังอยู่ที่
So,
ทีเชอร์นะคะ
อุ้ยเราเปิดใหม่
so we don't have homework for today. So that's all, kids, for today. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and have a great day. Thank you, teacher. And do you have any want to say, teacher, or do you have something to say?
สำหรับวันนี้นะคะไม่มีการบ้านนะคะ เพราะว่าเรายังใช้หนังสือเล่มนี้อยู่ แต่ว่าเนื่องจากสถานการณ์เรายังไม่สามารถให้เด็กๆมาโรงเรียนมารับหนังสือคืนได้ เพราะฉะนั้นทีเชอร์จะอธิบายไปแบบนี้ก่อน แล้วก็เดี๋ยววันนี้ไม่มีการบ้านด้วยนะคะ เพราะว่าหนังสือยังอยู่ที่ทีเชอร์เดี๋ยวเราจะค่อยๆเรียนรู้กันไปแบบนี้นะคะ เด็กๆชอบไหมคะ
Did you want it? Okay. So see you everyone again next time. See you again on our next meeting. Okay. See you. Bye bye everyone.
Say goodbye, teacher.
Bye teacher.
No homework นะคะ
Thank you.
จะกินหนูวันไหน
ยิ้มหน่อย